नमस्ते, दिस इज निशा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल निशा योगिक लाइफ। तो आज हमारा जो आसन है हम सीख रहे हैं वो है उत्कट आसन। उत्कट आसन को हम इंग्लिश में चेयर पोज भी बोलते हैं और ये एक संस्कृत वर्ड है उत्कट, जिसमें उट मीन्स उठाना, रेज, एंड कट मीन्स वेस्ट, मीन्स द वेस्ट इज रेज्ड अप इन दिस आसन. So, before starting the practice of this asana, let's see who cannot do this asana. Any person who has a cardiac related problem, they should avoid this asana. And anyone who is suffering from high BP or hypertension, they should avoid this asana. Others can practice this. Okay, let's see how to do this asana. For doing this asana, first you have to take 1 feet distance between your feet. 1 feet you can measure with your feet. Okay, like this you have to keep, and 1 feet distance. Okay, and your shoulders should be rolled back properly and your spine should be erect. Okay, and hands by your side. Then after this you have to raise your arms. I'll turn my side so that you can see. You have to raise your arm to the shoulder, up from the shoulder, and they should be, the arms should be close to your ears like this. Okay, I'll go and show you. See, you have to raise your arms and correspondingly lower your hips like this. Means you are making a squat position and holding it. Make sure your spine is erect. You are not doing like this, not like this. It should be like this. Okay, stay there for minimum 10 seconds. Now lower your arms, raise your hips, and come back to the center position. This is the complete posture. Okay. Okay, while doing this asana, there is a checkpoint, important checkpoint. What is that? When we are going to squat position like this, we have to make sure that our knees and our toes are aligning to each other. It should not be like this. Knees are out of the toes. Okay, it should be like this, that knees are in line with the toes. Okay, like this. This is the correct posture. Okay, this is the important checkpoint. Initially it may be like you are not able to hold this, then you go in the position as much as you can. If you are somewhere here, then also it is fine. If you are here, then it is well and good. Otherwise, if this is this like, if this is like this only, then it is also fine. Okay, ये भी ठीक है. ओके, तो ये आसन के बेनिफिट्स देख लेते हैं. अगर हम रेगुलरली इसको करेंगे, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस आसन. तो इस आसन में आपने देखा, लाइक वी आर स्ट्रेटनिंग आवर स्पाइन, प्लस फॉर दस दैट when we are staying in that squat position, we are engaging our core. Okay, so core muscles get engaged, then it will strengthen our abdominal muscles. Once the abdominal muscles are strengthened, then spine will also be erect, and it will help to correct our posture while sitting and standing also. Okay, and there is a nice stretch in our hip area and this thigh area, so it also helps in stretching this lower extremities. Okay, regular practice will help you strengthen the core also. So do practice this asana daily. 2 to 3 times you can do if you are holding for 10 seconds. Otherwise you can hold, once your capacity is increased, then you can hold it for 30 seconds also. Okay, that's it for today. This is all about Utkat Asana. Do practice this asana. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, namaste.